recording. Night drive in the 5.0. No, 5.2. Let's go. Look at this cold start. Not even a cold start. Still too quiet. Alright. Absolutely not. Alright, now let me just get all settled up here. Recording in 1080, 60 frames per second in the night time with the goddamn light on. What the fuck? I should have went the other way. What am I doing? I'm not gonna downshift here. I'm just gonna, rev match. I'm just gonna downshift like that. Fuck it. We don't do stop signs here. We do 3-second yields and then go. Nobody got time for that. Grab that bag and, like, I don't know, put it on the ground or something because it's making too much noise. Appreciate you. There you go, that's better. Hopefully the video isn't coming out crooked or whatever. That sucked. Ready for this? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Rev matches. Look at this dude fucking tailgating the hell out of me, bro. My man check the camera viewing right now. Go ahead and end it real quick and check how the camera is looking right now. Is it recording now? Alright, but let's go. What the fuck was I gonna do? I was gonna get out and like let them see the car, but I'll probably do that here in a second. stock interior is way more better now. Like, you can feel it. So like, oh shit, I be low. I didn't even know that. What the fuck? But you know how like I cleaned it and stuff? It's way more alive now. I gotta do that like every day now. Bright ass lights. Driving a manual car is probably like the best thing you could do. Best feature about the GT350, that is manual. All of them are manual. Feel more connected to the car, you know?
Yeah, you control it more.
Yeah. Yeah, it just feels way better. 10 speeds are fast and all, but if you really want to connect with the car, you know, manual's the way, you know. But to each his own. And it's like not too hard to learn either, you know. You'll get it eventually, you know. Just can't doubt yourself too much. Don't doubt yourself at all. You can do it. And these roads are kind of bad. What's your favorite thing about the GT350? The look?
Very unique. Stripes make it more unique.
You know how everybody says if a Shelby doesn't have a stripe, it's not a Shelby. What do you think about that, Richard? My brother right here asking me some questions.
That is true, because that's, for example, if you see a 5.0 with stripes, trying to impersonate a Shelby.
Nah, I don't think they're trying to impersonate. They just, you know. But you know how, like, I don't know how to say it. A lot of Shelby GT350s, they always come in with the stripes, the racing stripes.
Makes it look nicer. Stands out more.
2, 3. Personally, my favorite thing about the GT350 is there's a lot of things actually. Well, first thing, personally, my GT350, I love the avalanche gray color. It's a rare color. You don't really see it around like that. With the blue stripe, which is even better, you know. And also, I love the sound of the engine. It's awesome, you know, the way it revs up to 8,000. Crazy car. Amazing car in its ways too. You know, everybody has their own likings. It's a fun car to drive. Cause I came from a 5.0. It was full bolt on, and yeah, that car was also a beast, but not as fun as this car. This manual 6-speed. I actually blew the transmission on it. That shit was crazy. Remember when I blew the transmission?
Yeah.
That shit was crazy, bro. And then the clutch went like completely out, but that clutch was actually pretty good, and it was a center force clutch. I think it was a stage 2. Yeah, it was actually kind of stiff, but I don't know, I really liked the clutch. It was really nice. I plan on changing the clutch for this one too. I got that whistle going on from the brake as well. There you go. Nice ride, guys. My night point of view camera in the Shelby, but definitely tune in for some more videos. Yep, I guess like and sub, right? Shit, what the fuck. Alright, you guys, no, seriously, you guys take it easy. Let me know what you guys want. It's just, you know, a little nice cruise. But alright, you guys take it easy. Have a good one.